Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a subdomain in Cloudflare and point it to your website or server. So first of all, you need to come here on Cloudflare and then sign in into your account in order to get access to your Cloudflare dashboard if you haven't already. Now over here, click on the option of domains, then click on the option of overview. Now you need to select that particular domain of yours where you want to create a subdomain. So after selecting the website here, simply click on the option of DNS, then click on the option of record. Now over here, click on the option of add record, then you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you. Now over here, in order to create the subdomain, you just have to choose the appropriate record type here. So for example, you can click on this drop down menu and among the given options, you can choose either A or C name. So for a website that is pointing to an IPv4 server, you need to select the A type and then you can enter the server's IPv4 address. If your hosting provider has given you the host name instead, you can just simply select the option of C name and then you can enter the host name as a project. You can also choose whether the record is proxied or DNS only using the Cloudflare proxy toggle for most of the websites that should use Cloudflare security and caching feature. The proxied option is commonly used. So once you have basically given the name and once you have basically added all these details, you just have to click on the option of save and your subdomain's DNS record will be added here. You can then open a new address such as, let's say, blog.example.com, and then make sure that your hosting server is also configured to accept that particular host name. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.